In today's fast-moving digital finance environment, users often look for platforms that are simple to access, clear to understand, and structured around practical account management. BlazeRus Holdings presents itself as a fully online platform designed for users who value flexibility, convenience, and organized financial tools. One of the first things to notice about BlazeRus Holdings is that it works directly through a web browser. There is no need to download or install additional software, which makes the platform easier to access from different devices. Whether a user is at home, traveling, or checking account details during the day, browser-based access can make the experience more convenient. BlazeRus Holdings also places emphasis on account accessibility and smooth navigation. The platform is built to help users manage important actions, including registration, account funding, internal transfers, and withdrawal requests from one digital environment. Another useful point is the way the platform presents market-related information. Asset details, contract timeframes, price movement indicators, and local time zone synchronization can help users follow market activity with more clarity. Green and red color indicators make price changes easier to recognize quickly, while asset overviews provide additional context for planning and research.